Fish on, fish on. What you got? Ooh. Oh, wow. Good job. He's got to go back.
Off he goes.
We had to put him back. He was just too small.
He got to be 15 inches and he wasn't quite 14.
Dang. But first bite of the day.
When I first saw him, he was definitely a keeper.
Oh, well, that little guy, he just caught a fish behind your back.
Yeah. Well, that was cool.
That was so cool. So we are in Fort DeSoto in the Tampa Bay, and we've got the boat out. We're trying fishing here again. Last time we came, Dave actually caught quite a few fish, but no keepers.
So I'm keeping on track with last time. Except I'm catching less fish.
You're catching less fish, yes. We've been out here a little while and nothing's really been biting except for really tinies, but well, that's a good sign.
That was a nice little sea trout.
It was. I would have eaten them.
I should have showed you their teeth. They are wicked.
Are they?
Oh yeah.
Ooh.
That's why I use that gripper in their mouth, because they're like fangs.
Yeah.
Speckled sea trout, I think they're called.
Okay. There's so many osprey and different birds around here that are just like fishing and catching fish nonstop. It's really cool to watch. In fact, there's, I think, an osprey right now.
For the birds.
Oh, he's got a fish in his clutches. He's already got a fish. I've got my lucky fishing hat on, as you can see, so I'm hopeful it'll pull through for us.
Luckily, no dolphins yet. Last time our hat made the dolphins attack us.
Yeah, we were competing with the dolphins last time, so I won't say luckily no dolphins. I want to see the dolphins.
Yeah, but the fish don't hang around when they're here.
That's true. I want to show you how relaxed this girl is. We were in the boat probably 30 seconds before she got down there and fell asleep, so she just loves this boat, or any boat. She's just a boat girl. It is very soothing, I have to say. All right, good luck, babe.
Thank you.
Keep up the good work. No fish tonight for dinner. Dang it anyway. So we hopped on the bikes. We're going for a little bike ride, and I wanted to show you this. I don't know if it'll show up on the camera, but there's so many of these little tiny, what are these crabs called?
I haven't seen them. Are they fiddler crabs?
Oh, I don't know, but they're real little, and there's just like thousands of them out here, so I wanted to check it out.
I haven't seen them yet.
Okay. Oh, they disappear so fast. Look, just watch your eye. You see?
Oh, there's little holes.
Yeah. So many.
Oh, you can see them up there. Wow.
Yeah, thousands. I really want to just leave the camera here for a minute.
Yeah.
I'm going to. And then we'll back up. You guys, something so exciting happened. Dave left this morning to go fishing without me and without my lucky fishing hat. So he comes home with this.
My first sheep's head.
Very exciting. That looks gnarly.
They got like
those are so gross. It's teeth.
Yep.
That's
so
gonna be good eats.
I didn't I didn't get out till probably 8:30 this morning, and I launched the canoe the same place Irene and I did yesterday, and there was dolphins all around me. So I fished for like an hour, no fish, and then the dolphins disappeared. And then right before I left, I hooked that. I've caught probably 16 or 17 different species of fish in Florida, but I've not caught a sheepshead. I might not have kept that one, but it was my first one, and it was, if it was an 1/8 of an inch smaller, it would have been too small. So it's the bare minimum legal size of sheepshead. So anyway, we're gonna eat them tonight. Okay, now I gotta clean it.
Yep, cleaning time, and then Dave's gonna go for a run, and I'm actually going to rollerblade. So we'll see who's faster. Wait, it's not a competition, right? It's not a race.
For me.
It's not a race. It's a race. It's a race. Oh, it's wavy pavement. That's not good. I don't think this race is gonna work out. I need over there where it's smooth.
Right down the middle.
Oh Lord. Y'all, this is hard work.
You know, it's funny. The last 8 years, well, actually 7.5 years, we are never apart. Never. We're in a store together. We're just always together, except when I go run.
Yeah, well.
I guess that's over, huh?
Well,
I don't mind.
we'll see how far I go. I'm not showboating or bragging, but I am getting a little better, but we got on a smoother trail, so it's not really like the chip seal that we were on before, so feeling a little better about things. Whew, that was fun. And I stashed my flip-flops somewhere here. Which tree? This one? Oh, there they are. That was a really good time. And you know what I noticed about rollerblading? You make people happy. People just see you flailing around and grinning from ear to ear, and they just get really happy, and that makes me happy.
So smiling with you, not at you?
I think there's a little of both.
A little humid though.
Oh, so humid. Okay, I gotta get these things off and get back to camp. Now we're having a nice little fish snack, thanks to Dave.
Little being the key word there.
Yeah, but it looks really tasty. So you just fry this up in a pan.
I just wanted to see what it tastes like. So real basic, little butter and olive oil, little seasoning, just fried it up.
Give it a try. Our first sheep's head we've ever eaten.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah. For those of you that didn't see, I don't know if I got a picture of his teeth very good, but if Google sheep's head teeth, and they are really gross. They're like human teeth.
The locals call them convicts.
Because they're striped and
black
they have
yeah.
bad teeth? I don't know. No, the teeth. I
don't think it's a teeth, honey. It's the black and white stripes, like
okay.
the convict.
Look at that.
Let me know what you think. That's just a little bit of seasoning, fried in all oil.
Oh, wow. Okay. That's super sweet.
Yeah,
it almost has a scallopy flavor.
It's...
You get that?
So good.
Tastes like scallops.
Okay.
Wow, that's tasty.
I think we need to plan a trip to Cedar Key.
Yeah.
There's all those pilings out there that I can try to fish from. Because that's where the sheepshead, they hang out. I mean, they're a rugged fish, those teeth, because they're you know, they feed off those pilings, and like the one I caught today was along oyster beds. So they're just
Cedar Key's full of oysters.
Yeah.
Like they do oysters over there. I'm pretty sure.
Oh my.
This has been a good few days over here. We're ending on a high, eating some convict fish. And we'll just catch you guys down the road. Carry on.
Carry on. Thanks for watching.
And a very special thank you to our patrons for supporting our channel. Join us over on Patreon for extra videos and more content. Check out our website or Amazon for our pistol book. Carry on.
Carry on.